The Matrix wants you to grind endlessly, to create your financial freedom, to create your wealth, to create a self-image that people will see, to be prestigious, to have a reason to be respected. But the thing is, you won't defeat the Matrix by playing the game of the Matrix. At this moment in time where economy is getting totally blessed up, it's all chaos. At this moment in time when the news keeps showing chaos everywhere, trouble everywhere, that they make you fear that you lose your job because of AI, fear that this war happened, that this and that the economy goes down, that the bank close, whatever it is. The answer at the moment is not to work super hard into the physical world. I'm not saying this to be against creating your own business. Definitely not. I'm working toward it as well. But don't be fooled to the point that you only advance in the physical world, because it will be hard and it will never be satisfying. In this moment, we are in between the old earth, which is money, prestige, being fake, chaos, fear, and the new earth, which is spiritual evolution, love, joy, communication, community, all being one together. And in this moment, the most important thing to do is not to have more sources of income. If you can have it, sure, awesome, no problem. But what matters the most is to create peace. It's to get to your next level energetically. Because after all, what creates your reality is your inner state of being. All the millionaires, or a great percentage of them, are the proof that it doesn't work. Look at them, they look miserable, they are ignorant, a lot of them are unhealthy, are fat, don't really take care of themselves, they just take care of their business. It should be clear that the answer must be within yourself first. So do your work to find that peace, to still your mind, because your stillness is the hack to the matrix, the inner matrix, which is your mind. Depression, stress, trauma, all of it cannot exist in a still mind. In the state of no mind, where you are simply present rather than being lost in your thought. And for the outer matrix, which always want to make you feel in lack, so you consume endlessly, this one will also fall as you find the peace and the fulfillment within. Because a man or a woman who is fulfilled and at peace does not need to continuously spend money for food to fill the hole within himself of unfulfillment, loneliness, laziness, of purposelessness. One who is rich inside can just take a walk in the park and he feels awesome. He can have tears of bliss just looking at the squirrel, looking at the animal. One who is rich inside does not need to be a beggar to the external world. So don't allow the social media to make you compare yourself with others. Because as soon as you wake up and you check your phone, you'll see people who have bigger muscle than you. You'll see women who are more fit than you. You'll see men who have more women or more beautiful women than you. You'll see people who are richer than you. You'll see people who travel where you want to go. You will always see those who seems to have everything, and they will make you feel like if you have nothing. And this is the purpose of the Matrix. They want to make you feel that way. So take a moment to not fully disconnect from social media. You don't need to, but control it at least. Do not be used by social media. Use social media to learn, not as a circus. Use it for something purposeful. And most importantly, take time daily to meditate, to find your peace, to find your center. Use pranayama to elevate your energy. Use yoga asanas to open up your body and to be healthy. Remember that at this very moment, as we are about to shift from the old earth to the new earth, The answer is not just making more money. It is becoming a greater version of yourself that embody greater vibration, that is becoming more and more like God, which means enlightened, awaken, loving, compassionate, joyful. So I hope that this video will give you the little wake-up call that you need to remember the answer is not in the physical world. It is within you. It's possible with the same job that you hate, in the same city that you hate, to find immense bliss and peace. And in fact, only once you have it, you will have the opportunity to greatly manifest the life that you desire. Because in lack, you only manifest lack. When you are peaceful, happy, loving, it shows to the universe that you love life. And if you love life, it probably means that you have your desire fulfilled. Therefore, your desire suddenly gets fulfilled more than ever. If you understand this message, but you're not really sure what to do, you want to grow spiritually, you want the peace, but you don't know how to meditate, you don't know which pranayama to do, how much time to invest on a daily basis, you have two options. One, there is a program that I made that you can follow by yourself at your own pace that will show you everything that you need to grow spiritually as quickly as possible. Option two, we can have a one-on-one coaching together so that every single day I will track everything that you do and that you don't do for your spiritual evolution. I will take the time personally to answer all of your questions while creating a program tailored specifically for you. And that will allow you to advance so much faster. Because everything that I had to learn by myself, all the questions that I had for weeks, for months, that I had to watch so many videos, read so many books to find simple answers that no one was giving, well, you can have them all in a snap of a finger by writing the question to me. And I don't work with anyone, by the way. It's only if you fit with what I'm looking for. I'm not going to waste my time. I only work with a small amount of people on a monthly basis because I truly give it my all, my whole heart, my whole intention, my full presence. So whichever fit with you, the program or the one-on-one coaching, just look below. In the caption, there's the link for both of them. You can even see what people who went throughout this process with me has to say. And if none of this work for you, you have the free YouTube videos as well. I make sure to make everything for free as well. But the difference is when it's for free, you have to pick all the content to every places, put all the puzzle together, while the program do it for you. And the one-on-one coaching do it even more for you because I'm fully here to take care of your growth. So whichever action you decide to take, just make sure at least, whether it's with me or not with me, meditate today, meditate tomorrow, meditate every single day. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe because every week new videos come your way for your spiritual evolution as it mattered to me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.